Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about the properties of gas. Before we start, can anyone tell me where can we find gases?
I know. We can find gases in the air around us.
Yes, that's right. What are some properties of gas? Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a ruler, string, and 2 deflated rubber balloons. First, tie each balloon to one end of the ruler using the string. Observe the ruler. Is it straight or tilted?
The ruler is straight.
That's right. This means that the 2 balloons have the same mass. Next, let's see what will happen if we pump air into one of the deflated balloons. Did the space occupied by the air inside the balloon increase?
As there are more air inside the balloon now, the space occupied by the air inside the balloon increased. The balloon expanded.
Let's observe the ruler once more. Is it straight or tilted?
Whoa! The ruler is tilted towards the inflated balloon.
Yes! The inflated balloon contains more air than the deflated balloon. The inflated balloon on this side of the ruler has more mass than the deflated balloon on the other side. Hence, the ruler tilts toward the inflated balloon. From this experiment, we can see that gases have mass and occupy space just like other states of matter. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.